This summer, a 10-month-old baby got successfully cured of an incurable genetic disease. This is gene therapy. Gene therapies are game changers to treat incurable genetic diseases or cancer. The promise of a bright future. Yes, but to reach their full potential, gene therapies need to overcome two key challenges: the production cost and the availability of their key components, viral vectors. Today, producing one single dose of viral vectors can cost more than $1 million per patient. And besides, current manufacturing techniques are facing major scalability bottlenecks. This is where we step in. We are Kolibri, and we create the next generation of bioproduction technologies, allowing for a 10x higher yield while reducing manufacturing costs up to tenfold. Our patented platform leverages acoustic waves as a very gentle way to convey the cells throughout the process, keeping them happy and healthy. In other words, our technologies are specifically designed for viral vector production, making gene therapy manufacturing cost-effective, more efficient, and with a higher quality. My CTO and co-founder, Gabriel, is one of the very few people on Earth mastering the underlying physics behind acoustic cell manipulation. He holds a PhD in acoustophoresis and over 7 years of experience in developing acoustic devices to growing cells. As for myself, I'm Amélie, CEO and co-founder of Kolibri. I'm an engineer by training, and I hold 7 years of experience in managing deep tech projects. And I've already successfully launched a B2B hardware company for one of my clients. We are Kolibri, and we're on the mission to make the gene therapy promise a reality.